Hello, everyone. In this video, we will show you how to search for messages and reprocess them. Introduction. This video demonstrates how to search for messages and reprocess them. Message monitoring allows you to search for integration messages and review their processing results for both inbound and outbound interfaces. Each message includes a status such as pending, failed, completed, or canceled, along with detailed error information when applicable. This helps you verify whether the related sObject was successfully integrated when the status is completed. If a message appears with a failed or pending status in SKYVVA, the Reprocess Message feature allows you to retry integration messages that did not complete successfully during the initial processing. Messages can be reprocessed directly from the message monitoring page. This feature is particularly useful when errors occur due to incorrect mappings, invalid data, or issues in the business logic within the message payload. Now, let's start. In each integration, you can search for specific messages, and you can also reprocess those messages either manually or by using a scheduler. However, in this video, we will show you how to view the messages from the global message monitoring page. Here you can see the screen, which allows you to filter the specific mode you want to work with. SKYVVA provides several monitoring modes, including message monitoring, API monitoring, event monitoring, basket monitoring, data loader monitoring, custom monitoring, file monitoring, mail monitoring, and routing monitoring. The mode field allows you to select the processing mode, which helps you filter and search messages across all integrations. Now let's see. When we select Basket Monitoring and click Apply Filter, it shows the messages related to that basket. Now we select All and apply the filter again. The result will show all messages from all integrations. Here is the integration name field. It shows all available integrations, and you can select one integration or choose All to view messages from every integration. This is the interface field. You can use it to filter messages by interface, but the interface names will only appear if a specific integration is selected. Now selected the integration one. After that, the interface name field shows all interfaces available for the selected integration. And the subinterface field displays only the child interfaces related to the selected main interface. But now we still not selected the integration name. The date field is used to filter messages by creation date or modification date. From date, the starting date of the range. Only messages created or modified on or after this date will be included. To date, the ending date of the range. Only messages created or modified on or before this date will be included. For the message name field, you can enter the message name in the box and search, and the matching messages will be displayed. For the message status field, if no status is selected, all messages are shown. If you select a specific status, only messages with that status will be displayed. Sort by allows you to select either creation date or modification date. Order by lets you choose the sorting direction, either ascending or descending. Message Content Data Filter. You can search for messages based on the fields that are being inserted or updated in Salesforce. Message direction include with inbound and outbound, now still not selected. The maximum of record filter refers to the number of records you want the system to display. The Business External ID filter allows you to find records based on the external system's unique business identifier. Fields such as System External ID, Transfer ID, Transaction ID, Basket Name, and Comment Content work like the other filters. You can use them to search for specific values within the messages. Now, click Apply Filter button. Here you can see the message results. It displays a mix of inbound and outbound messages with various statuses, including completed, failed, pending, canceled, and new. All this message we search for all integration. Now, select a specific integration name. Then click Apply Filter. Here are the message results. If you select an integration without selecting a specific interface, it will display all interfaces that contain messages. Click Expand API Message to view the business message. This is the complete message with a hierarchical level. Here is the failed message caused by the data source name. No data was passed for the mapped external ID field. You can see it in the comment. For all other messages, including new, pending, and canceled, this is just one of many possible reasons. We can check the details for each message and reprocess them as needed. Now, let's select the Message Status filter to show only failed messages, then click Apply Filter. Now, only the failed messages are displayed. This failure occurred because no external ID was found in the mapping. The system cannot perform an upsert action on the account object without an external ID field defined in the mapping. Then, select another status to display. Choose Partial Completed. Click Apply Filter button. Partial Completed. This status is used when some messages are completed while others fail or are pending. The root message is set to Partial Completed. This message is pending because it did not meet the workflow conditions. Click Reset to remove all currently selected filter values. Then selected the integration name again. Now, we will apply a filter for a specific message name. Pass the value into the message name box, and then click Filter. Here is the message that matches the filter we applied. In the Message Direction filter, you can choose to display only inbound messages or only outbound messages. Now choosing with inbound first. You can note that this direction is for inbound messages. Next, select the outbound message direction. You can see that this is an outbound message. Note that this direction is for outbound messages. For the field System External ID, Transaction ID, Transfer ID, Basket Name, and Comment Content, you can apply filters based on their values on message. Select All button to check all message checkboxes. Then click the Deselect All button to uncheck all message. The Delete and Delete All buttons are used to delete messages. The Cancel and Cancel All buttons are used to cancel messages with new or pending status before deleting them. You can use the Reprocess Message button to reprocess messages that have failed or are pending. Next, we'll show you how to cancel a message that is in new status. Check the box for the new message. Then click Cancel button. Message new after cancel. It changed to cancel status. For messages with new status, if you try to delete them without cancel first, a warning error will appear. Now we will delete all messages with canceled status. Select all and click delete. All messages are deleted successfully. Click apply again the message, no records to be displayed. Then, filter by the statuses partial complete and failed. Here are the message total of 9 records will be displayed. This message failed because no external ID was found in the mapping. The upsert action on the account object cannot be performed without a defined external ID mapping. Click on the name and check the mapping. Open the mapping button. The error happened because the external ID for the account was not verified. We are now checking it. Then Save button. After that, you can reprocess those messages by checking the box and clicking Reprocess button. Then click on Message Detail. Expand the root message to see the underlying business messages. All of them are encountering the same error. The Reprocess button runs in immediate mode, allowing faster processing of a single message. The Reprocess in Batch button, located on the message detail page, triggers the iService batch reprocess job to reprocess messages in batch. You should use it when a root message contains many child messages, as batch processing helps prevent unexpected Salesforce limits from being exceeded. Now reprocess in batch mode. The message under processing. Please check the Apex job. The job is still processing. After job is complete, please refresh the message. You can see that it has been updated to complete. The account has been updated to modification. Go back to the message page and apply the filter again. After the reprocessing is complete, the status has been updated from failed to complete. Then, we will reprocess one more message using the Reprocess button here. Check box on root message. Click Reprocess button. Click Apply, filter the message. The newly reprocessed message status has been updated to complete. Select one more interface. Then click Filter button. This is the message associated with the selected interface. This message contains a workflow. The first message is marked as complete because it met the workflow conditions. But the next message is pending because it did not meet the conditions. Click on it to view message detail. Go back to the integration page and check the workflow conditions. The workflow is set with the condition account number equals sky_2026. But account number on message equals test001. So need update it equals SK_2026. Then click Reprocess button. Now it is completed. To process the other messages, ensure their values match the workflow conditions, then use the Reprocess in Batch option. Stand on root message and reprocess them. Refresh the message. It is completed for all message in tree. Filter the message monitor again. Here is the messages after reprocessing. And now the workflow condition is true for all messages. In addition to manual reprocessing, we also have the ability to schedule message reprocessing. InVideo focuses on reprocessing a specific message on the interface within the integration. Starting the reprocess message job works the same way as starting an inbound or outbound schedule. It can be executed per integration, per interface group, or per interface. Here is the scheduler that we will use for reprocessing. Its name is Message Reprocess per interface, and it is linked to the correct interface. Set time interval. Then Save button. And click Start Action button. Then go to check the schedule job. When the scheduler reaches its next scheduled run time, it will complete execution. We can then check the message monitor. All messages that were previously marked as partial complete have now been updated to complete. And finally, the Message Search and Reprocess feature in SKYVVA lets you find integration messages, review their processing results, and see detailed statuses such as pending, failed, completed, canceled, or new. If a message fails or remains pending, the Reprocess Message feature allows you to retry processing directly from the message monitoring page. This is especially useful for resolving errors caused by incorrect mappings, invalid data, or business logic issues. Thanks you for watching. See you the next video.